Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. Previous class we discussed class 8 biology subject lesson 1 body science part 2 over. Now part 3 reading to learn. Reading to learn. Here scientists they are doing any research investigation. Okay, they are doing reading to learn. They are reading, writing, using number sense in their work. Okay, you want to become a good science reader, you have to follow these strategies: before reading, during reading, after reading. Before reading, during reading, after reading. Here before reading, during reading, after reading. Here given before reading, here one paragraph given. Okay, here first of all we have to know, think. Here we have to find out. I need to find out what are the parts of an ecosystem. What is ecosystem? What is the definition of ecosystem? What is the glossary? Here flora, fauna. Flora and fauna. Name of the species. Flora means nothing but plants. Fauna means animals. Okay, we have to know the vocabulary, glossary, meanings, definition. Okay, what is the definition of ecosystem? It contains biotic and abiotic factors. Okay, ecosystem is a area. It contains both living things and non-living things, landslides. Okay, all organisms in that area. That is about ecosystem. This is about before reading. This is about before reading. Next, during reading, find out main idea. Find out main idea. In first paragraph, what are there? We have to find out main idea. We have to next we have to support the main idea to the next paragraph. We have to find out. This is about during reading. This is about during reading. In during reading, we have to collect information. We have to ask questions to ourselves and we have to find out answers. We not get answer. We have to again reread again. Okay. Then finally we have to find out answers. That is the during reading. That is during reading. After reading, here given pictures, image, information. Okay, here biotic components, abiotic components, and desert ecosystem, that all are given here. Okay, here after reading, here we have to summarize in ecosystem what are their biotic components. Biotic components in that are producers, consumers, decomposers, that all are there. Okay, abiotic factors here sunlight, water, air, environment, these are all are abiotic factors. We have to summarize information. Okay, we have to gather information. That is about before reading, during reading, after reading. Okay, here given this one is the mangrove ecosystem or Koringa ecosystem. Here biotic components are producers, consumers, decomposers. Producers which can prepare food, which can produce food, that are producers. Consumers depend upon producers for food. Decomposers, whatever plant or animal matter will die, that after detriting, feeding bacteria will eat food. That is the decomposers. These are biotic components. Next one, abiotic factors: sunlight, water, air, environment, that are the abiotic factors. This is about before reading, during reading, after reading. You want to become a good science reader, you have to follow these strategies. Okay. Next one, writing to communicate. Writing to communicate. Here, writing about what you have learning, uh, get a good idea. Writing to communicate. Here, they are follow the ways: informative writing, narrative writing, expressive writing, persuasive writing. In that way, they are followed. Okay, informative writing. We have to give information, how to do experiment. Okay, definition, conclusion. Okay, all information we have to give in. That is informative. Next one, narrative. Tell a story model. Okay, giving some suggestions. Tell a story model examples. Okay, that is narrative. Expressive, like poems, songs. Okay, in that way we have to give expressive writing. Next one, persuasive writing. We have to give whatever important issues, regarding important issues to writing, that is persuasive writing. These are writing to communicate. They are communicate the people how they are followed by the informative writing, narrative writing, expressive writing, persuasive writing. Next one, they are using measuring, accurate measuring they are using. While they are doing any experiment, they are accurate measuring they are using. They are using scales, cylinders. Okay, so many items they are using. So many instruments. Okay, measuring instruments. Next one, using number. Using number. They are using number sense. Okay, correct, accurate meaning. Correct, accurate. They have to use the numbers, number sense in the research. Next, interpreting data. They are interpreting data like a tabular form. Okay, showing graphs. Okay, like for example, they want to show some milk production in different countries. They are showing the graph. Okay, like that they are interpreting data. Okay, this is all using number sense. They want to show some cows, majority of the cows in that particular area. First level, second level, buffaloes, third level, goats and sheep. Like that they are showing using number sense. This is all about they are using measurings, using numbers, interpreting data, using number sense. Okay. Next one, safety in science. Safety in science. We have to take care in safety in science. First of all, we have to think ahead what we are doing. Think ahead. What are the next steps? We have to know the information. That is about think ahead. Next one, be neat. Our surroundings should be neat. Our long hair, clothes, we have to tie properly. Otherwise, so many problems in research laboratory. Okay, next one, oops. We have to aware of don't spill or break anything. Okay, anything will happen, we have to immediately inform to teacher. That is about oops. Watch your eyes. We have to wear safety goggles.